How you doing? My name's Todd Menzies. I'm for the community board. I'm just doing to see that wee Paul McKenna. He says he was going to fix my fucking wife's motor. I swear, I'm not fucking happy about this. I know people in the social work that will fucking come down there and take his bike. They'll fucking make sure he gets a good skeleton for that. So I'm not fucking kicking about waiting for my fucking insurance plans to come through. Not a chance. Not a fucking chance.
Alright, I was in the goose the other day getting a few jars of my boys, and then fucking this guy's like that to me. You need to wait in the queue for another hour, mate, because this place is fucking pummeled. And I was like, what? Whose boy's done any plunge to get a fucking piner in here?
Alright, fucking went down to Bristol the other day, just me and Carol. Try to get away for a quiet weekend. She's like, Margaret's going to be fucking looking after the wins. Margaret? What? For Caldwell Street? I'm no fucking... How dare you let her take after my wins, especially when that fucking Todd the Cod's going to be around fucking sniffing in my sock drawer. Fucking lousy fishy bastard. I'll fucking take my toe and shove it up his fucking arse where it belongs, because I'll fucking put my toe in his mouth after I've put my toe up his arse. Let him smell my shite and fucking taste my glory. He's not looking after my wins. I'm the da. I'm the fucking da.
Just back for the bookies there. I was putting a line on, and this guy won 50 quid right in front of me. I was like, oh, what a fucking stop winning money. And he's like, what are you talking about? So then I fucking done his face in, plunged his fucking stomach, and then took his wallet out of his pocket, looked at his address and his driver's licence, went to his house and done a shit in his back garden.